Fireweed, scientifically known as Camerian angustifolium, is a resilient and striking plant, renowned for its rapid growth in areas disturbed by fire, hence its name. This herb not only beautifies its habitat but also offers a variety of medicinal benefits. Growth and habitat thriving in disturbed soils, fireweed is often one of the first plants to appear after a fire. It can be found throughout the temperate northern hemisphere, including much of the United States, Canada, and Europe. Fireweed prefers sunny locations and is commonly seen in meadows, along roadsides, and in clearings. Identification fireweed stands out with its tall, erect stem that can grow up to 5 feet tall and its spear-shaped leaves that alternate along the stem. During late summer, it blooms with vibrant pink to purple flowers, forming a striking column of color. Toxic lookalikes fireweed has no known toxic lookalikes, making it a safe choice for foraging. However, it is always critical to positively identify any wild plant before consumption or use, as misidentification can lead to inadvertent ingestion of harmful species. Edible uses and parts. The young shoots and leaves of fireweed are edible and can be enjoyed cooked or raw. They are often compared to asparagus in flavor. The flowers are not only beautiful but edible as well, making a colorful addition to salads. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare professional who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. The leaves and flowers of fireweed are used medicinally, known for their benefits in treating several conditions. Digestive tract. Fireweed is used to soothe the digestive tract, making it useful for conditions like colitis and IBS. Antifungal. It has properties that help combat candida and other types of fungus. Gut health. The plant is beneficial for issues like leaky gut syndrome and has a mild laxative effect. Respiratory health. Helps relieve lung congestion and sore throats, and its antispasmodic properties aid in calming bronchial spasms. Anti-inflammatory. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it effective for various inflammatory conditions, and it is ideal for long-term use to treat these issues. Pain relief. Can alleviate migraines and other types of pain. A tincture dose taken as soon as symptoms appear works best. Skin care, used in the treatment of skin problems due to its soothing effects. Harvesting fireweed is best harvested when it is in full bloom, typically from mid to late summer. The leaves can be picked throughout the season, with younger leaves being more tender. Always harvest responsibly, taking only what you need and leaving plenty for the plant to continue thriving. Cautions: fireweed is generally considered safe with no known severe adverse effects. However, as with any herb, it should be used with consideration, especially for those with pre-existing conditions or those who are pregnant or nursing. Fireweed is not only a symbol of nature's resilience, but also a valuable addition to the herbal medicine cabinet. With its range of uses from digestive health to respiratory relief, fireweed offers natural solutions for a variety of ailments, underscored by its beautiful presence in the wild.